Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve a clear cache on Facebook app. To know how to fix or how to solve clear cache on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will enter to the window or to the app of Facebook, and you can enter here. After that, in this page, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.